In the quest for sustainable energy sources, wind turbines have emerged as a promising solution to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and combat climate change. Bornay, a renowned manufacturer in the field of small wind turbines, has made significant strides in advancing wind energy technology. This video explores the world of Bornay Small Wind Turbines, delving into their history, features, and contributions to the renewable energy landscape. We will also touch upon other notable wind turbine makers and models, showcasing the diversity and innovation within the industry. Bornay has a rich history dating back to 1970, when it was founded by Juan de Dios Bornay in Spain. Bornay's commitment to harnessing wind energy as a clean and sustainable power source was evident from the outset. This dedication to innovation and eco-friendliness set the stage for the company's evolution as a prominent player in the small wind turbine market. Bornay's journey has not been without challenges. In the early years, the company faced competition from larger wind turbine manufacturers like Vestas and Siemens Gamesa, which dominated the global wind energy market. However, Bornay recognized a niche for small wind turbines, particularly in rural and off-grid applications. By focusing on this segment, Bornay carved out its own space in the renewable energy arena. Bornay's success can be attributed to its commitment to quality, innovation, and adaptability. Their small wind turbines have been designed with precision, utilizing cutting-edge technology to maximize efficiency and reliability. One of the standout features of Bornay Small Wind Turbines is their adaptability to various environmental conditions. They are engineered to perform optimally in low wind speed regions, making them an attractive option for locations with moderate wind resources. This adaptability sets Bornay turbines apart from some larger models that require higher wind speeds to generate significant power. Bornay's turbines also incorporate innovative blade designs and materials to improve efficiency and reduce noise levels. The use of advanced materials, such as carbon fiber and fiberglass, contributes to the longevity of the turbine, while minimizing maintenance requirements. This attention to detail ensures that Bornay turbines not only generate clean energy, but do so quietly and reliably. Furthermore, Bornay has embraced smart technology in its turbine systems. Integrated control systems and sensors allow for real-time monitoring and adjustments, optimizing energy production and ensuring the longevity of the equipment. This proactive approach to maintenance and performance monitoring helps Bornay turbines maintain their efficiency over time. While Bornay Small Wind Turbines have gained recognition for their innovation and adaptability, it's important to acknowledge the broader landscape of wind turbine manufacturers and models. Several other prominent players in the industry offer different solutions catering to diverse needs and preferences. Vestas, a Danish company, stands as one of the giants in the global wind energy market. Known for their large-scale wind turbines, Vestas has a substantial presence in onshore and offshore wind power generation. Their turbines, often towering over 100 meters in height, are capable of harnessing high wind speeds, making them ideal for large-scale wind farms. Vestas has played a pivotal role in driving the adoption of wind energy on a massive scale, contributing significantly to the global transition towards renewable energy sources. Siemens Gamesa, another major player, specializes in offshore wind turbines. Offshore wind farms harness the strong and consistent winds at sea, offering a potent source of renewable energy. Siemens Gamesa's turbines are engineered to withstand the harsh marine environment and generate substantial electricity output. Their technological advancements have propelled the development of offshore wind energy projects worldwide, supporting the diversification of renewable energy sources. Enercon, a German wind turbine manufacturer, is known for its innovative direct drive technology. Unlike traditional geared wind turbines, which have a gearbox to convert the rotor's slow rotation into high-speed rotation for power generation, direct drive turbines eliminate the need for gearboxes altogether. This design reduces maintenance requirements and enhances reliability. Enercon's direct drive turbines have made significant contributions to the efficiency and sustainability of wind power. Amidst these industry giants, Bornay Small Wind Turbines have found their niche and continue to thrive. Bornay's focus on small wind turbines caters to a distinct set of applications and customers. Here are some scenarios where Bornay's turbines shine. Bornay Small Wind Turbines are a boon for rural and remote areas where grid connectivity is limited or unreliable. These turbines can provide a consistent source of electricity, reducing dependence on diesel generators or expensive grid extensions. They have been deployed successfully in countless off-grid communities around the world, improving living conditions and supporting economic development. Farmers have also benefited from Bornay turbines. They use them to power irrigation systems, lighting, and other essential equipment. By harnessing wind energy, farmers can reduce operational costs, lower their carbon footprint, and contribute to sustainable agriculture practices. Ecotourism is on the rise, and many eco-friendly retreats and lodges use Bornay Small Wind Turbines to generate clean energy while preserving the natural beauty of their surroundings. These turbines blend seamlessly with the environment, making them a preferred choice for eco-conscious businesses. Bornay turbines are often integrated into educational programs to teach students about renewable energy and sustainability. These installations serve as tangible examples of green technology and inspire the next generation of environmental stewards. Bornay Small Wind Turbines, alongside similar models from other manufacturers, contribute to the larger goal of reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating climate change. They offer several advantages that make them an integral part of the renewable energy landscape. Small wind turbines, like Bornay's, promote distributed generation, where energy is produced close to the point of consumption. This reduces transmission losses and enhances the resilience of the energy infrastructure. Distributed generation also empowers individuals and communities to take control of their energy production. Compared to traditional energy sources, wind turbines have a significantly lower environmental impact. They produce electricity without emitting greenhouse gases or other pollutants, helping to combat air pollution and reduce the carbon footprint of energy production. The wind energy sector, including small wind turbine manufacturers, has created numerous jobs worldwide. From research and development to manufacturing, installation, and maintenance, the industry provides employment opportunities and supports local economies. The competition among wind turbine manufacturers, both large and small, drives innovation in the industry. This continuous quest for improvement results in more efficient and cost-effective wind turbines, making renewable energy increasingly accessible. While Bornay Small Wind Turbines and their counterparts have made significant strides, they still face challenges that must be addressed for further growth and adoption. Some of these challenges include: wind energy's inherent intermittency poses a challenge for small wind turbines. They may not generate power continuously, depending on wind conditions. Effective energy storage solutions such as batteries can mitigate this issue. The initial investment required for wind turbines, even small ones, can be substantial. Governments and organizations need to implement supportive policies and incentives to make renewable energy more accessible to a broader audience. Navigating the regulatory landscape for small wind turbines can be complex and time-consuming. Streamlined permitting processes and standardized regulations would simplify the deployment of these clean energy sources. In some cases, the visual impact of wind turbines, even small ones, can be a concern for communities. Effective communication and collaborative planning can address these aesthetic concerns while still harnessing wind energy's benefits. Despite these challenges, the future of small wind turbines, including Bornay's, looks promising. As technology continues to advance and the world's energy needs grow, these turbines will play a crucial role in the transition to a sustainable energy future. Bornay Small Wind Turbines exemplify the power of innovation and dedication in the renewable energy industry. Their adaptability, efficiency, and reliability have made them a preferred choice for a variety of applications, from remote communities to eco-friendly resorts. While Bornay competes with larger manufacturers like Vestas, Siemens Gamesa, and Enercon, it has found its unique space in the market, serving niches that require small-scale wind energy solutions. The broader wind energy sector, comprising both large and small wind turbine manufacturers, contributes significantly to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and combating climate change. Wind turbines, including Bornay's models, represent a sustainable and clean source of electricity generation, with numerous benefits for the environment and society. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure the notification bell is turned on so you don't miss a video.